Nisters, for today's video, andito tayo ngayon sa Carl Buds, ano ba yan? Carl Buds Windmill, ang event venue ng wedding ng aking pamangking si Jam. Guys, this is it. This is the day of the wedding. We are preparing our beauty. Nagme-makeup muna kami. At nagre-ready ang mga ninang sa kanilang outfit OOTD for today. Eto sila. Ang finished product ng aming makeup, ang OOTD for today's wedding. Okay ba yung makeup ko, guys? Ako lang nag-makeup sa sarili ko, nag-plancha, nag-blower. Si Sharon. Balutin mo ako ng siyaga ng iyong pagmamahal. Jamie, what do you think? Saka na naman basher ko, Jamie, ha? Okay ba? May makeup? Ito naman ang isang ninang.
Hello!
Meron kasing contest ng pagandahan ng ninang.
Hello! Di pa tapos
Ng
ang
OOTD. OOTD for ninang number 1. Yung number 2, hindi pa tapos. Ng kanyang outfit. Mamaya makikita nyo resulta. Okay, ready na kami for the pictorial. Maga pa, mga 6 o'clock or 5 o'clock ang start ng ceremony. At eto na ang mga ninang, beautiful ninang. My 2 sisters, beautiful ninang. Hindi ako kasali sa ninang. Sabihin nyo naman bakit, huwag nyo na itanong. Hindi ko na alam.
Ano ba yan? Close, sabi mo na lang.
Hindi ako favorite.
Hindi ako. Hindi kami masyadong close.
Hindi ko na siya nakalakihan. Maliit pa siya noon nung umalis sila.
Ako naman. Voting ba? Pwede naman lagyan mo muna yan.
Number 1, number 2. Best OOTD.
Libiran. Si Libiran. Hindi.
Si Francis Library ang gumawa ng kanilang OOTD.
Yung taga Dubai?
Na Francis Libiran.
Hindi. Si Michael sa is. Michael sa is.
Michael sa isang ka sa akin.
Michael sa isang inyong nagpagawa ng ng gown for today's video. Ang daming apam sa mo, mamili ka. Sa venue ng kasal, Jam. Best wishes, Jam. Diamond visitor. Congratulations.
Over from 2 separate lives to 1 shared path. But this is not only the joining of 2 hearts and without
Partner! Anong nangyari sa'yo? Partner! Anong nangyari sa'yo, partner?
Tubig, hindi kape.
Hindi sinabing isyat. Hindi sinabing isyat po, no? Istro. Anak ng patola. Meron ka pang speech, di ba? Ano mangyayari sa atin yan?
Bilis naman.
Samantalang umorder sila ng margarita.
Hindi ata siya gumamit ng straw.
Kaya nga,
Ginamit niya ata yung pangbobang straw eh.
Hindi, ginanon niya kasi. Ginanon niya. Sabi ko, baby,
Minom ka na ng tubig. Magtubig ka pa.
galing ko pala tumalasing.
May kasama na tayo loka-loka dito. Mangyayari sa atin. Huwag ka magwawala, be, ah. Nakakahiya, be.
Dagan pa nga ito, parang bigil na.
Tawa eh. Grabe tawa.
Baka kasi mamaya magwala, nakakahiya.
Huwag na yung taas. Dagdag mo ka para ay.
I'm the proud mother of our lovely bride, Annabelle. On behalf of my husband and my children, I would like to thank you all for coming here, for celebrating with us this beautiful occasion of Annabelle and Adrian. Also, I'd like to give a special shout out to my lovely sisters who made the long journey all the way from Manila to the United States just to be here to share this couple's special day. Also, not to forget also, two of my friends here who came. You know, there's a saying that mother holds her children filled with emotions that words can barely capture. Seeing your happiness today is a mother's greatest joy. Annabelle, I've watched you grow into the strong, independent woman you are today. I remember trying to tell you to do your homework. Do you remember that? Only to find it had already been completed. So you remember that story, Annabelle? So when we were in the Philippines, just a short story. When we were in the Philippines, I only have 3 kids, but I have 4 now. So when they had their homework, I would tell Annabelle to go to our bedroom to do her homework. And the other siblings would be in the living room. And then she would do her homework by herself. And then to my surprise, she would go out and I was about to get mad. But then she would say, "Mom," I said, "You go back to your room." And then she said, "Mom, I'm done." So that's how smart she is. Over the years, the siblings, the bond among my 4 children, become a powerful force in our family. And to my new son-in-law, Adrian, welcome to the family! So Adrian, effective today, you're now officially a part of Aguelo's family. My hope and prayer is that you two will always bring out the best in each other. And Adrian, when Jam is upset or having an off day, please be patient and understand that she can be a little sensitive. So, a boba, a little ice cream, or a halo-halo, and a lot of understanding goes a long way. You know, marriage isn't easy. Your tatay and I can certainly attest to that. There will be days of immeasurable joy, misunderstanding, you're not talking to each other, nagkakakasalan kayo, and and others that test your patience, and you'll be able to resolve. True love isn't about perfect moments. It's about finding someone who makes perfect moments worthwhile. Lastly, my advice to you, Adrian, remember this, okay? Listen to your wife, As saying goes, happy wife, happy life. And Annabelle, your happiness is a reflection of the love you share. To Adrian's family, thank you for raising a fine gentleman. And we are happy to be joining our families together. Annabelle and Adrian, may your life together be filled with endless love and happiness. Always remember to communicate, support each other, and put God in the center of your marriage. To everyone here today who has played a part in their journey, thank you for surrounding them with love and wisdom. Everyone, glasses.
Wala akong glasses dito. Can I borrow?
Happy couple. May your marriage be blessed and conquer and love. And always find your way back to each other, no matter what life's bring. To Adrian and Annabelle, cheers!
Cheers!
In my dreams, I know and love you more. In my heart, I'm building. I stay strong. You're as well. I look for love in all the same old places. Round the bottom of the bottle's always dry. Oh, you poured out your heart, I didn't waste it. 'Cause it's nothing like your love to get me high. And you're as smooth as Tennessee whiskey. You're as sweet as strawberry wine. I stay strong on your love all the time.
This time, the newlyweds will now share a special dance with their parents as we celebrate the love and gratitude between North.
Ako'y liligaya dahil sa'yo ako'y matapang, dahil sa'yo ako'y nanglakan, para sa'yo pagmamahal na mahal ng katapusan. Dahil sa'yo mayroong pangarap, pagmamahal ko sa'yo'y tapat, para sa'yo pagmamahal na higit pa sa sabay. Gagawin ko ang lahat para lang sa'yo sa tayo.